Hey, so Scott, can you define business triage?
Yeah, at its simplest form of definition, business triage is an assistance program for existing businesses up to this point in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, although we're looking to expand it into other New England states, um, for businesses that were not for a major emergency, namely the global health crisis, they would be doing fairly well. And we have ways of measuring that, okay, and making a judgment call. And we're really here to help those businesses weather the storm through mentorship, through relatively intensive in the short term, but an extended period of mentorship, peer advisory, and any other sort of specialized services they're going to need. And though not exclusively for mid to large size employers, we do make a special imperative for those that employ others so that we can retain employers in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts.